In this video, we will show you how to run Node.js project on aaPanel. In here, just for example, we already provide a simple Node.js project and we will execute and run using aaPanel. Okay, for example, in here, first you must install Node.js on the App Store and click all here and type the Node.js. Okay, so you will see there is Node.js version manager. Just click install. Okay, this version, just click install now. Wait until the installing is completed. Installation succeeded. After that, you can click settings. Now you will see there is Node.js available versions. If you think this is out of date, you can just update version list. For example, we want to install version 22 for the stable version. Okay, this is for example. Just click install. Downloading Node.js version 22. Okay, still install. We will waiting for this. Okay, after our version Node.js is installed successfully, you can also install module if you need. Just click this. To install module, click the module. And for example, you need to install stream. Just type stream here and click install, and that's the method you can install the module from the Node.js. And the next, we will execute our Node.js project, okay, the server.js, and creating a website and select node project here. Okay, just click node project and add node project. And for the path, okay, using our the server.js and click confirm. And for the name, we will using server node.js, okay, without space. And custom comment, just type node server.js, while the server.js is our files. Okay, this is our file name. And part of the project, it's 3000. Let's see. Okay, in the next, for the script. And for the domain name, if you pointing your domain name into your IP address from Cloudflare, for example, we also can type the domain name. For example, I already add the subdomain grips.pxlib.com like this, and we can click confirm. Okay, then set the SSL. This is very highly recommend. Just using let end script and click apply. Apply and open. Now we already have the SSL and also configuration. Make sure to reload this to see the project is running or not, and the SSL is also applied. Okay, we will see that our project using port 3000. Let's verify on our files and on the configuration of our Node.js. Okay, just click edit, and this is the port is using 3000. After that, let's execute or open our websites. Okay, using grips.pxlib.com. You can see our Node.js project has been executed successfully. If you click right open and the Node.js script, it's nothing there because it's executed on the server side. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to run Node.js project using aaPanel. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.